Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. My name is Barbara and I am a vintage handbag collector. So if you like vintage bags and the pre-loved market and you want to know more about this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next videos. Guys, today I am so excited because I will show you guys my new bag that is vintage and pre-loved, and a bag that I bought a year ago. So here's the baby, and let me show you. Let me hide my phone and then we can have a little chit chat. Ta-na-na-na-na. This was the most fast striptease and reveal because can't wait to show you guys the baby. Look at this. I wish you could touch this lamb skin. It's so soft, you cannot imagine. So look at this pretty little baby from the middle of the 90s, because her sticker starts with a 3, so I will put the date here, but it's the middle of the 90s. It's so soft. So you open it, you don't have like anything here. Some other bags have, and of course inside you have this beautiful burgundy lining. You have zip pocket that it's, it takes the whole, like it's the same size as the bag. And then you, sorry, just here, I am a little bit far away from the camera, that's why I'm struggling. And here you have a pocket. So a pocket here and a zip pocket. And this one is a Made in France bag, and she's looking really good for her age. Seriously. So this bag, as you can see, it's the the vertical stitching. And I don't know if someone knows, please let me know in the comment box, because often when you look for this bag, the keywords you have to use is vintage, Chanel, jumbo, mademoiselle. So I don't know why it's called mademoiselle, but I think there is a link to the vertical stitching. And I really wanted to add this one in my collection because I think she's so special, with this vertical quilting. And this one, and I think, no, it's not my only one, but this one is jumbo Chanel. For 6 to 7 years, I called this bag my jumbo vintage Chanel. I was completely wrong. This one is the maxi and this one is the jumbo. And I think you can see in the camera that they are not in this, they don't have the same size. When I bought this one, I thought it was going to be this size. And this one is 30 centimeters wide and the height is 22 centimeters, and this one is 33 centimeters and 23 the height. So it's a slight difference, but it's a huge difference when you see them together, because this one is massive. This one, if you guys follow me and if you guys know my collection a little bit, you know that I love the maxi. I own at the moment, I can see them through the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6 maxis. Yeah, 5 to 6, I think. And it's my favorite size ever, because I know a lot of people say, oh, this one is too big, it's too heavy, but believe me, it's not. Comfortable because the straps, they are really thick, and you can fit everything inside. Like I even put my, you know, my lunch boxes, like my life is inside, and I wear this one like every day. And she needs, you know, she's needing a spa because the corners are used, because I don't take care, even if it's raining. Even if it's raining, I can, you know, I can use this one because nothing happens to it. This is my favorite bag. I wear it almost every day. I don't care about it. I don't baby it. It's an old bag. I think she starts with a 2 or something. I don't know. And she's perfect. So if I decided to buy this one, it's, of course, there is, you know, the vertical stitching, and as I am a collectioner and I am crazy, I wanted to have the vertical and the diamonds. I have the chevron, and if you are following my unboxings, I have the horizontal stitching with this one. So, you know, you come back later. So yes, I wanted, you know, the vertical stuff. And also, because I wanted to give this one a little break and have, you know, another one which I could wear, and, you know, just like not always wear the maxi one, because poor little girl, she needs, you know, some rest. So that's why I got this one. I bought this one on ricardo.ch, which is my favorite Swiss website where you can buy vintage, pre-loved, anything, everything you want, because it's from a private seller to private seller. Of course, there are some businesses now, but it's from people to people. And yes, I found this one there, and it was an auction, and I got it for more or less $2,000. Today, if you want to find and purchase a bag like this, I think the prices are around 4,000 to 5,000. So it was a deal. And yes, I was quite happy to get this one. I was just a little bit, you know, like disappointed, because I thought I was going to get this size, and I love it. But it's okay, because sometimes this one is a little bit, you know, too big for my daily basis. Sometimes I just have like my card holder, which is this, and you know, like, and that's it. But I just really love the look, the oversized CC, the big chains, and, you know, this 90s vibe. And yeah, so I want to show you my 3 babies. Here they are. As you can see, this one is a little bit smaller. When I bought this one, I was expecting something like this, because the size of the bag is 30 centimeters too, but this one is 23, the height. Hold on. No, I'm wrong. The height is 21. And the height for this one is 20. So 21, and this one is, okay, it's hard, 22. So the difference is not too big, but if you look at them, you can see it's not the same. And okay, the difference, it's not big, but it's big enough to disappoint me. So when I got the burgundy one, I was a little bit sad, because I say to myself, again, you did, you know, a measurement mistake. You didn't check it, so it is slightly smaller. And yes, I was a little bit upset, but it's okay. Like, a maxi is a maxi, a jumbo is a jumbo, and you, I don't know what the hell you are. But I have you, and I will really, really try to love you. So that's it. I think I will do more like deep depth, I don't know, like more specific video about my maxis, jumbos. Maybe I can do maxi and then jumbo, because I think I have like 2 jumbos. I don't know if we can call this one a jumbo. Yes, because the size, you know, I don't know. Let me know, guys, if this is a jumbo. For me, this is a medium plus. Like, I know some people call the medium large, which is, no, it's medium is medium. But this one, we could call it medium large because she's a little bit bigger. So, guys, let me know what you think about my Chanel Mademoiselle one. And if you like it, if you prefer, you know, the diamond quilting, stitching, I'm lost now. Or if you think that the vertical one is a great choice too, or if you prefer the horizontal one. And I have the chevron aussi. I have the chevron too. But I'm gonna keep it for the next video if you guys can accept, because the video is quite long and I was like everywhere and nowhere as always. So voila, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and if you don't follow my channel yet, follow me so you don't miss my next video. And believe me, a lot of beauties are coming. So voila, I will bye. If they could say bye too, but they cannot, so I will say bye for them. Bisous, bisous, et à demain. See you tomorrow. Bye!